Hello everyone. We begin with worksheet 2 now. In the previous two videos, we had done the questions of worksheet 1, wherein we had four sides given and one of the diagonals was given to us. Knowing the length of the four sides and the length of a diagonal, I was able to construct the quadrilateral. Now we come to the second type of the construction of quadrilateral, wherein we have the lengths of both the diagonals given to us, and along with the lengths of the two diagonals, we have the lengths of the three sides also given to us. So let us first of all draw the rough figure and understand how the construction is going to be done. I have a quadrilateral ABCD given to me. A, B, C, D. Let us see what all is given to us. AB is given to us as 4 centimeters. BC is 3 centimeters. CD is 3.5 centimeters. And diagonal AC is 6 centimeters. And BD is 5.5 centimeters. Now, just try to understand what all is given to us. So, I have AC. And on AC, I need to find out first of all point B and point D. Now to get point B, I use AB and BC, and point of intersection of AB and CB will give me point B. So I will get point B. Then the point D is to be found out. So using AB and CB, I got the vertex B. So what should I use to get the vertex D? I will take out those two sides which are having the D vertex common. So they are CD and BD. So I take CD and BD and they both will give me vertex D. So that means with C as center and radius equal to 3.5 centimeters, if I will cut an arc and with B as center and radius equal to 5.5 centimeters, if I will cut an arc, then these two arcs will intersect at point D. So I will get point B by making an arc with A as center and radius equal to 4 centimeters and C as center and radius equal to 3 centimeters. The point of intersection of these two arcs will give me the vertex B. And with B as center and radius equal to 5.5 centimeters, if I cut an arc, and with C as center and radius equal to 3.5 centimeters, if I will cut another arc, these two arcs will intersect at point D. So I will get B point and D point. A and C I already have, and this is how I'll be constructing the quadrilateral. So let us see the steps of construction properly now. So I draw AC equal to 6 centimeters first of all. Then I need to find out point B. So as I had told you, with A as center and radius equal to 4 centimeters, I will cut an arc. Then with C as center and radius equal to 3 centimeters, I will cut another arc to intersect the previous arc at point B. So I have got point B. I will join AB and I will join BC. So I have got the top portion of the quadrilateral ABCD. So I have got the vertex B now. Now my next task is to find out the vertex D. So I will take the two sides which are having the D vertex as a common vertex. That is, I will take BD and CD. So for that, with B as center and radius equal to 5.5 centimeters, the length of BD, I will make an arc. Then with C as center and radius equal to 3.5, the length of CD, I will make another arc to intersect the previous arc at point D. So the point of intersection of these two arcs will be point D. I will join AD and I will join CD to get the required quadrilateral ABCD. Remember, if the steps of construction are asked, we need to write all the steps. But if not, then at least we must write what is given. So whatever were the dimensions given to us, we'll write that in the given. Then to construct, I will write the quadrilateral ABCD. And the final answer is very important. It carries marks. So we must write, therefore, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So I hope this construction is clear to you. Please watch the video again to understand if there's any doubt. Thank you so much.